favorite dish to make with chanterelles is risotto. Ingredients: to quarts mushroom broth, half cup chicken broth, salt and pepper, to cloves of garlic, 5 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 pound arborio rice, 1 pound chanterelle, 2 shallots, 1 teaspoon fresh thyme, 1/4 cup grated parmesan. Step 1. Bring the mushroom broth to a boil. Once boiling, turn down the heat and leave the broth at a simmer while you cook the risotto. Step 2. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter on high heat. Add the chanterelles with some salt and pepper. Stir occasionally for 2 minutes. Step 3. In a big pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and the olive oil on medium-high heat. Add shallots and cook until soft. Then add the garlic. Put in the rice and stir for 10 minutes until it turns milky white. Add the thyme. Step 4. Stir in the cold chicken broth for 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup of the simmering mushroom broth. Stir for 2 minutes or until absorbed. Continue adding mushroom broth 1 cup at a time until absorbed for 18 to 20 minutes. Step 5. We're almost done. Now add the mushrooms, parmesan, and the last 2 tablespoons of butter and stir. Season with salt and pepper. Voila! A perfect chanterelle risotto.